Welcome everyone to video number 10 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners on being civil. In this video, we will extract the section name and type of selected members from STAAD to Excel. You can also do it for all members. In our previous videos, in video number 2, we have discussed how to get selected beams, and in video number 7, we have discussed how to get all beams. Those who have not watched the video, go to watch it first. Now, if you select the beams here and click on get selected beams, all the selected beams came here, and if you click the get section name, the beam number and the section name will be here. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the code. This is the code to get selected beams. We will modify this code for getting the section name, and also we'll extract the section type also. So let's copy the code and we will paste it here. Let's change the name. Let's quickly understand this code. We have declared two variables, beam number, that is the total number of selected beams, and the selected beams array. Here we get the number of selected beams, and if the number of selected beams is greater than 0, we have redimensioned our array, and we have assigned the selected beam numbers to this selected beams array. Now for 1 to number of beams, we have printed the beam numbers in column 1. That's all. We will add just one line of code to get the section name. The OpenSTAAD function to get the section name is object OpenSTAAD.property.get beam section name, and you have to pass the beam number. In our case, the beam number will be the current selected beam number in the loop, and we have to print these in column number 2. That's all. And for the section type, you have to write object OpenSTAAD.property get beam section property type number. Similarly, you have to pass the beam number. Print it in column number 3. Done. Let's assign this macro. Let's select this beam and click on. So you see, you get the beam number, section name, and section type. So this is not the section type, it is the section type number. Instead, in OpenSTAAD, the section type, there is a table. Understand what this section type number means. So you see, here is a table. You can get you can take the screenshot of this. Is in 600 Spain means beam ST, 611 means beam T. Suppose this is a single angle section and this is a double angle section. So if you select these both and click on this, you get the section name is same for both, but section type is 642 here. 642 means angle LD, that is a double angle, and 640 means angle ST, it is a single angle. So you can simply do a VLOOKUP here of this. Like this, and name it section type number. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.